Everyone. So today we're going to cook 3 yummy meals that will help you control your blood sugar. Yes, eat delicious healthy food and still lower your blood sugar. Okay, I'll show you how. Come with me. I'm so glad you could join us today. Please click the like, subscribe button if you find you're getting value from this. And just indicate what area, country or town or city you are checking in from. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. It means very much to me and it costs you nothing. I'm so happy you could join us today. Maybe scrambled eggs or another omelette. You don't have to use everything. Like those. Get put away in the freezer. The thing about cutting mushroom is it makes your board seem very dirty. It's just the inside of the mushroom. I hate to see that mess. So last night I created a video in Canva and suddenly was locked out of it. Oh yeah. Then when I looked, the recipe showed up with salt. You don't have to use salt. It's not necessary. It is an acquired taste. However, if you think you want a little bit of salt, this is what I use. The soup mix. Great flavor and taste. It gives it such a nice taste. I'll show you the amount I use. Don't use a pack, for goodness sake. Even the manufacturers warn you. A pack is way too much. Too much sodium. However, if you have spice without sodium, without that, I mean overdoing the sodium. So this is all I'm gonna do. I'll do it in my hand. Just a little. I'm actually aiming not for the onion flakes. Oop, I opened it at the wrong end. Should have opened it at this end. Where you have all of the... Look, here. See? It's about half a teaspoon or 2 minutes. Let's go for the whole teaspoon. That's it. That's all you need. Just about a teaspoon of the soup powder. That's a secret many people won't tell you. Okay. Put a little black pepper in there. Sorry. Wow. Whenever I do, I use black pepper as sneeze. Always makes me sneeze. Oh, it smells so good. So very delicious. Okay. So now, I'm going to add my peppers. Red bell peppers are great for you. Anthocyanins. Oh, polyphenols. All those things you need to help you fight free radical damage. Cranberries. I love cooking with cranberries. Want to make some muffins? Cranberry muffins? Ooh, one day I have to make some. We have to make some together. It just jazzes up everything. So I know you may wonder, why am I doing so much veggies just for an omelette? Because, here's my secret. I do enough veggies so I have vegetables for leftovers tomorrow. Yeah. This way I don't have to cook every day. When my kids were little, they got me into making veggies and different salads. Oh my gosh. I became the salad expert. When it was summer and they were playing basketball, they both were excellent basketball players. My girl, my beautiful daughter, even played at college level. Yeah. Yeah. So I learned how to make a lot of stuff, combining a lot of veggies and meats. And we used to eat meat then, yes. Yeah, that's all I'm doing. Yeah. And that's some cilantro. Spinach. Don't let your spinach go bad. Put it in an omelette, put it in a salad. Don't let it go bad. It goes bad pretty quickly. And it's good for your folate, potassium, calcium, vitamin D. Oh yeah. So we'll let that cook for maybe 2 more minutes. Again, olive oil has to be on medium to low heat, never high smoking heat. This is bothering me. I gotta get it clean. Yes. Two, three. Again, if you want, with just a little quarter, just a little pinch really, instead of salt. Put again a little black pepper. These are all optional. I'm from a culture that loves spicy food. You don't have to make it this spicy. The key part that's going to lower your blood sugar is in here. It's right in there. So somebody wrote to me that they missed the steps. Stay tuned, most critical steps are coming. Let's get healthy together. Healthy eating. What you chose to put inside your GI tract, which begins at your mouth and ends at your anus, way to maintain your health. So look at the veggies. That's what they look like. Still have great color. You don't want to overcook your veggies. The truth is you can eat much of this raw. The radishes, the cranberries, the celery, the peppers can all be eaten raw. The taste is so good. So because I don't need all of that for my omelette, I'll put away some for my veggies for tomorrow. All I need is maybe okay, just about that. That one may be a little too much, even. I do want some of the peppers, everything. Okay, so this is for tomorrow. That's my veggie for tomorrow. Okay. There. Put a little cover on it, put it in the fridge, and the covers are in the dishwasher, which is going right now. Okay, so I'll put this away for now. Okay, so let's make our omelette. In fact, I tell you what, I will be using a little bit more spinach. I really hate to throw food out, and these don't last very long. We are gonna